How to remove gel nail polish. Welcome back to my channel. Get ready to say goodbye to that stubborn gel nail polish. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate hack for removing gel nail polish. Are you tired of spending hours at the salon just to remove your gel polish? Say goodbye to expensive trips to the nail salon. Get ready to save time and money with this amazing DIY gel nail polish removal method. Step 1. Gather your supplies. First things first, let's gather everything you'll need. Grab a bowl, some acetone, cotton balls, and aluminum foil. Step 2. Prep your nails. Before we dive into the removal process, make sure to gently file the top layer of your gel polish. This step will help the acetone penetrate the polish more effectively. Step 3. Soak the cotton balls. Now, soak your cotton balls in the acetone. Make sure they're fully saturated but not dripping. Step 4. Apply the cotton balls. Place each soaked cotton ball on top of your nails. Make sure they cover the entire nail surface. Step 5. Wrap with aluminum foil. Wrap each finger with a small piece of aluminum foil. This will help create heat, speeding up the removal process. Step 6. Let it sit. Now, sit back and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. Use this time to catch up on your favorite TV show or read a book. Step 7. Remove the foil and cotton balls. Carefully remove the foil and cotton balls from your nails. You'll notice that the gel polish has started to lift. Step 8. Gently scrape off the gel polish. Using a cuticle pusher or an orangewood stick, gently scrape off the gel polish. Be careful not to damage your nails. Step 9. Moisturize and nourish. After removing the gel polish, it's important to moisturize and nourish your nails. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join the squad. Hit that subscribe button.